As many of you know, I have a Genesis Coupe Ultimate Edition. This is really meant for the R-spec, although I don't know if it'll fit on here, but it's a camber kit. Now, you can pause and read that. What it basically says is, if you go racing and you break something, don't blame us. But this is a camber bolt. It has a cam on it, if you can see. I should have brought my tripod. But it's got a cam on it that allows you to adjust the camber of the front wheels. And let's do that today. Alright. Instructions, parts. Alright, can I do this without the wrench falling? Yes, I can. Alright, loosen this off camera. It's gonna fall. It's gonna make a noise. Loud noise warning incoming. Alright. Face this tab towards the engine because that's what it's telling you to do there. And then have the cam facing out. And come on. You were just there. There we go. And then yeah, this is right. As I'm tightening this, you can actually, as you tighten this, you can actually see the wheel beginning to change angle. Is that gonna, okay, no, that's gonna go on the strut, that's fine. Oh, there it goes. It's really minuscule, but let's say in a track situation, that would mean quite a bit. Yeah, this thing doesn't have any power. Alrighty. Well, that's done for right now. I didn't tighten it all the way because I'm going straight onto the alignment rack. To do this, afterwards you'll need an alignment because it throws the camber out of whack as you're tightening it. Alright, and there we go. That was my before measurements. I definitely had some horrendous steer ahead, and one of the cambers was actually already out, and that's the new one. The camber bolts do adjust properly. They actually do work. I don't know if it works to its fullest potential like it would on an R-spec, but I have no reason to think that the suspensions are different. I think that they're the same. Don't quote me on that though. Mind you, if you do put any kind of camber on a car or excess camber, it will throw it off completely. It'll cause uneven wear on the tires and possibly drivability. But there you go. Considering I think it was the right front, I couldn't adjust properly. I couldn't get it to 1.2, which I was able to get this to 1.2, which is a little more than what it had, I guess, stock. But as you can see, that was already out, so maybe something's a little bent, a little twisted, I don't know. But oh well, they do in fact work, and just keep your bolts and remember to lubricate everything.